Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me CANON Pixma G3470, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy in color on this device. So basically it's very easy to do. Of course, firstly you should locate the document you want to copy here on the lid. As you can see, here we have the scanner glass. So locate your paper card here in this way. Here should be the left top corner of your document. Locate it on the glass. Then here on your display, choose copy. Click OK. And if you wanna make a black and white copy, click black. If you wanna make colored copy, click color. Of course, here you can choose amount of copies you want to do. As you can see in the menu, you can change the paper type, paper size, type of copying. For example, cordless copy, frame rate, ID copy, or something else. And so that's it. So you should set up copy into your preferred settings and click color. Wait a while. Okay, that's it. As you can see, copy was successfully performed. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye. See you.